Good morning, everybody. The question came up to what will the lid and spoon rest hold? That's a great question for lids. So I have our typical lids here, a few of them. So this is one of our little baby ones. As you can see, let's see, can you see that? We have our little baby lid, fits perfectly. This is like an 8-inch lid. Fits good. I think this is like a 10-inch lid. This is one of our Vita Sana lids. This is one of our mega pots. I think this is for like the 13-inch skillet or bigger. And then I know a lot of my clients and friends have our Nouveau cookware. And if you like this Nouveau cookware, be in my VIP room to find out more details for this one. But this is our 9-quart, and this is the lid for that one. And it does fit and sits very nicely on there. So there's some examples of what our lid and spoon rest for lids will fit. And then, as you can see, you can sit your spoon on there. Anything basically you can sit it that way, or you can sit it this way, depending on which way you like it to sit, of course. I'm just pulling tools out of my caddy that I have over here. Now I do realize our new wooden tools, you can still sit them on there too. Either way. So there's a variety of multiple ways that you can sit and use your lid and tool holder, depending on how you have it on your stove. Okay? And the great thing about it, like I said, this is a silicone piece that can come off to easy wash. And when it comes to you, this part here actually squeezes off, and it comes in one small little rectangular box. And this is stainless steel, makes it nice and shiny. Like I said, this one's from my stove actually, and I have it usually centered. I'll show you. Let me see if I can flip the camera. Centered right here. Okay, so that's where mine usually is. So that way everything is nice and centered above my stove right there. Okay, so this is a sampling of some of the lids that can fit on your lid and spoon rest. Oops. So what do you use your lid and spoon rest for? Let me know, and have a great day. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. Bye-bye.